You can quickly manifest a new reality with quantum jumping, which basically is an instant shift within your conscious mind. Quantum jumping and parallel reality shifting may initially appear as complex or intimidating concepts, but they are in fact quite accessible and often occur without our conscious awareness. Quantum jumping refers to the process of consciously altering one state of consciousness to align with a different reality, one that is distinct from our current experience. By harnessing sufficient mental and emotional energy and tuning into the desired possibility, we can make a leap into hidden dimensions or parallel realities. The efficacy of various techniques such as the law of attraction, manifestation, and visualization can be attributed to quantum jumping, which can be better understood as multi-dimensional awareness. When our consciousness undergoes a transformation, our reality naturally follows suit. We coexist within an infinite number of realities all around us, waiting to be explored. Transitioning from your present circumstances to your desired destination lies entirely within the realms of your mind and perception. It hinges on your consciousness and the state of being. Imagine your life as a movie, with yourself as the protagonist. However, with this grand cinematic narrative, there exists other scenes you can experience and entirely different movies to which you can align your consciousness. Each individual, including yourself, merely explores distinct scenes within diverse movies. You possess the power to switch to another movie or immerse yourself in a fresh scene. Regrettably, many individuals perceive their current movie as an unalterable reality, passively observing it unfold without assuming conscious control. Yet since all things originate from a single source of energy, this omnipresent force can experience anything and everything from every conceivable perspective simultaneously. Countless states of this boundless energy exist, each experiencing a multitude of scenes across all points in space and time. The universe is brimming with endless possibilities, already existing in a state of completion. When we encounter something new, we are merely shifting our awareness and aligning ourselves with a particular possibility. This realization expands our understanding, surpassing any limitations we perceive in the present moment. Our future, in essence, plays a pivotal role as it grants us the opportunity to choose from the infinite array of possibilities and embark on a quantum jump to manifest our desired experience. As humans, we possess an extraordinary capacity to envision ourselves selecting a life that aligns with our dreams from the vast expanse of potential realities. With focused intention, we can leap into the chosen possibility and transform it into our lived experience. While the possibilities and realities available to us are infinite, our brain and body are not designed to simultaneously tune into multiple realities. Similar to how a television broadcasts a show based on the tuned-in channel, our brain and body interpret our reality based on the life story we tune into. However, it is important to recognize that all of these storylines exist simultaneously. To experience something different, we must engage our consciousness and intentionally tune into alternative channels with different narratives. We become deliberate in our conscious awareness, understanding that these possibilities are viable options, rather than reacting passively to experiences that can be altered. So how can we embark on this transformative journey? The ability to shift our reality is not a skill to acquire. It is something we already do countless times each day. The mere act of movement initiates these shifts. It is an innate part of our being. However, to quantum jump intentionally into a chosen life, we must consciously employ our existing skills. Additionally, it is crucial to recognize that our physical body serves as a tool for our consciousness. It is not our true self. Through our body, we can perceive and experience the physical reality using our senses. Yet, it is our consciousness that internally and energetically creates the reality, utilizing the body as a vessel for exploration. While our body allows us to live a particular life through sensory experiences, it is our consciousness that truly engages in that existence. Even if our body could function independently, there must be a conscious entity to witness and interpret its actions. Therefore, the body relies on the operator, our consciousness, for the purpose and significance. This understanding emphasizes the power of utilizing consciousness to facilitate quantum jumps, rather than solely relying on physical actions to effect change. By using our mind to imagine stepping out of our body, we can expand our awareness and glimpse other possibilities and experiences that await us. Stepping back from our physical form allows us to tap into a fifth-dimensional consciousness, enabling us to access alternative storylines stored within our multidimensional mind. These storylines offer a plethora of options, and from this expanded perspective, we can discern and choose the realities that align with our desires. Detaching from our current physical sensory experience, we utilize our consciousness to tune into preferred channels until they become the dominant frequency of our existence. As a result, our body starts to perceive sensory information that corresponds to our chosen reality. Consider something that you wish to experience in your physical reality. The desire for this stems from a perceived lack within your current experience. However, from a broader consciousness perspective, it is essential to recognize that this state of lack is merely one possibility among many. That reality holds no more solidity than any other. It is simply the reality that you have been attuned to. Within the infinite realms of possibilities, there exists another reality where you already possess the desired thing. To initiate this transformative process, craft a declaration that both your mind and the universe can comprehend, affirming that your current experience is but one potential reality among many. For instance, acknowledge that this reality is merely a single thread within the vast tapestry of infinite possibilities. I can utilize my consciousness to tune into alternative potentials. I now choose to shift my consciousness and embrace a different experience. Once you have set your intention, shift your awareness by imagining the extraction of your consciousness from your present physical state and immerse yourself in thoughts of your desired reality for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. It might be helpful to visualize the act of changing the channel of reality within your mind until you discover the desired outcome. Remind yourself that you are attuning your consciousness to this particular storyline, transforming it into your lived reality. Now, it is crucial to vividly inhabit your mind with the ideal reality you have chosen, as if you are already in the new body, playing the new role, and immersed into the new storyline. Allow yourself to feel the emotions that harmonize with this dreamlike mental projection of your new reality. To prevent doubt from arising, it is advisable to keep this process concise, allowing your logical mind minimal opportunity to interfere. Simply release the old reality and tune into your new one, forging a connection that lasts for a few moments. Once you sense a complete shift in your consciousness and emotional state, grab a note card or use your phone to document or record your affirmation. Write or say, "I have chosen my new reality, and it is already mine. I have tuned into it and experienced it. I will continue to tune into this new reality multiple times each day." With the visualization phase concluded, proceed with your day while embodying the emotional states you have cultivated. Allow these feelings to permeate your being, acting as a magnet for the manifestation of your chosen reality. Developing the habit of embodying the corresponding feeling states throughout your day is of utmost importance. Whenever you catch yourself reverting to undesirable thoughts or emotions, refer back to your new declaration. Read it aloud or listen to it to remind yourself of your chosen reality. Allow yourself to truly feel the sensations associated with that reality. As you do so, you are tuning into a channel where problems cease to exist. Your ideal reality is yours. You are presently living it, and it is undeniably real. Success in this endeavor is marked by the absence of thoughts like, when will it happen? Or when will it manifest? Instead, you effortlessly navigate your day with the profound conviction that it is already done. It is already tangible and a lived experience accompanied by the corresponding feelings. Once this profound shift occurs within your consciousness, your body, through its sensory perception, will gradually assimilate new information aligned with the reality you have quantum jumped into with your conscious intent. This transformation may transpire suddenly or unfold in waves until the complete manifestation of your new reality takes shape. Remember, it is your consciousness that initiated the shift, and now your body, serving as a tool, provides information that aligns with this shift, shaping a fresh physical reality. This process functions precisely as it always has, except now you are consciously assuming control over it. Your current physical experience represents just one potential reality among an infinite array of possibilities. Even the events you perceive as your future are possibilities awaiting manifestation. If there are aspects of your life that you find unfavorable, rest assured that there exists a reality where they no longer hold true. Time is not a limiting factor in experiencing the life you yearn for. By consciously tuning your consciousness to a new storyline and embracing the conviction that it is already yours, the physical world will inevitably reveal itself in alignment with your desires. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the next video on your screen for more tips on how to manifest the life you desire.